Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Retekess, and in today's video I will show you how to use the new arrival TD113 watch receiver. And this is a box of the watch, and we can open it to check. This is the watch. And there's a user menu, and magnetic charger, and one clip. And this is the two button. Now I will show you how to use this watch receiver. And first we should pair the button with the watch. We can see there is a button in this side, and we long press this button to turn it on, power it on. You can hear the beep sound. And we are successfully to power it on. You can see this watch. You can see there is the menu in this button. Long press this to enter it, and we can see it has fifth icon in this watch: delete, time, date, language, message, theme, brightness, set, power off, factory set, reminder set, timing, calculator, and signal. And we can press this to back to the main interface, and long press this to choose the menu. We can before we use this watch, we should pair the button with the watch, and we choose register. We can see the color, evaluator, and keyboard. We choose the number 1 color. It means the button. We press this to enter it, and we can see this is the ID. We slide this. We can slide this to choose the number we want to set, like number 2 or number 7 or number 1. Like number 2, we press this icon, and the watch will enter the learning state. Then we press this button. We can see the check mark. It means we're successful, and it will change the number, and we can continue to the next one. Okay, now we can back to the main interface to test it. Press this button. We can see, and this one. Long press this to delete the call. And we can see this is a for name button. If we want to pair the other 3 buttons to this watch, we can choose number 9, set, and choose key function, and and choose this key value settings. We can see there's a 40 button name, and we can choose the pay. Press this to choose the name we want. You can see pay, and this we can see please press this key, and this time we can press this pay to pair the signal. And we can continue to the next one. Like this is cancel. And this order. Back to the main interface, and we can check it. And okay, that's it. Hope this video is helpful for you, and goodbye.